So this boiler is the Baxi Duo Tec combi. Quite simple to use. You've got here on the left, you've got if you turn this dial over, it'll spring back, it's spring loaded, it's the reset button. Heating and hot water, obviously that's like you're on, or over to the 0 is off, just turns the boiler off. So then you've got 2 control knobs for the heating and hot water. This controls the temperature of the hot water, so it can go up to 60 degrees, and this controls the temperature in the radiator, so it makes it at 80 degrees when on max. You've got the pressure gauge here. Now it's a little bit high because I've put a bit too much in it, but it's being drained anyway. So the temperature gauge really wants to be between 1 and 2. When it's cold, it's going to be probably closer to 1. When it's hot, obviously it's going to expand a little bit, so it'll go over to 2. If it drops into the red, then the boiler won't work. You'll get a fault code here. So if you can see, E119 low system pressure. This will flash up here, so you have E1 then 19. If you go and look at your gauge, it'll be on the 0, which means you need to top it up. So underneath here, you've got just one blue dial there. So keeping your eye on the pressure, you just turn this one back and you'll hear the water go in. So it's blue at the front, blue for you is how we remember it. So the only other thing to remember is E133 is gas supply fault. On a lot of houses with gas card meters, that's quite common when people have forgotten to turn it to top the meter up, or just in general, if the handle is accidentally pressed down on the meter, that'll stop the gas getting to the boiler as well. So you're getting E133 gas supply fault.